Hi, my name is Erin Neilson, and I'm here on behalf of FileCloud to provide a high-level overview of the FileCloud integration for the Outlook desktop client. The purpose of the FileCloud Outlook plugin is to provide end users with additional avenues to utilize the FileCloud platform as part of their normal workflows. Outlook users with the plugin enabled will be able to access all of their FileCloud storage or generate secure shares directly from the Outlook client. Users are also able to send received files directly to FileCloud in specified folders or subfolders. For users, this means less time jumping between applications to securely send or receive files, keeping tasks focused in one place. While users can leverage expanded access and ease of use with this plugin, administrators can maintain data control and security. Share restrictions and policies in FileCloud continue to be enforced, even when attempting to share data through Outlook, which protects against unwanted data leaks and unauthorized access. Once installed, you can manage your settings by clicking New Email and then selecting the FileCloud option from the New Email window. Otherwise, the user's FileCloud folders and files will appear as a collapsible panel on the side of the client window. From this collapsible panel, you can upload, download, and share files directly. The FileCloud Outlook plugin is available on the FileCloud website for free and available for use for any licensed users within your organization.